drug addicts also.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ubah Prasun Tinsong habakren shikilat pathai kubor hakabaya day bat kawe ke drone ke Balarung Shameghalaya na Bangladesh ula Pynthikna baka Sorkar Jylla ke Ïatreilang bat kibor pahara khaput jong ka Border Security Force bat ka Sorkar Pdeng ban weng ya ke Jingjia katay ke drone ke bala lap hakitan sora kalawan ra ya ke jing sokia ya ke jing pahara khaput jong ka Jylla Henry ula banjur baka Sorkar Jylla baka Sorkar Pdeng ke Ïatreilang ban yada na kum kini ki Jingjia bat man Pynthikna ya kabit kabyang jong kipajba bat ula kerpat ikipajba bakim day ban kuslai.
From the state government, as far as the border issue is concerned, it is being looked after by the BSF, by the government of India. However, state government and the central government, we are closely working together. Be it those people trying to infiltrate or to come into Meghalaya, to India, or even the drone that recently has been detected that from Bangladesh, drones has even reached up to Cherrapunji. So these issues are always being closely discussed between the state government and the central government. So I'm very sure we are in a position to make sure that things is under control and nothing to worry about. We appeal to all the Indian people not to worry about whatever, and we are there. We are committed to make sure that our country is intact and our country is totally safe.